The Palumbo Company has been in business over 20 years, helping contractors find and secure the best talent in the industry. In the construction industry, there aren't a lot of executive level positions that aren't family. So yes, on some of the international clients that we have, some of the big conglomerate, bigger firms, they have executive roles or branch manager offices and things like this all throughout the country and all throughout the world. But generally speaking, the middle range firms is where we do a lot of our business. And that is because they have critical needs in the supervisory level and up. So let's say foreman, superintendent, estimators, chief estimators. That is the bulk of our business. Do we do executive positions? Yes, we do them all the time. But the bulk of our business really is in that supervisory position, the foreman, superintendent, up. And these are critical roles for clients to maintain their profitability. The industries we work in is strictly construction, and we've only recruited in the construction industry for over 20 years, and that's all we do. Now, some of our clients want engineers because there'll be let's say it's a heavy civil firm or a heavy mechanical firm that will want a mechanical engineer, or a heavy civil firm that want a civil engineer, want somebody who is licensed in a particular state. So we do look for engineers, but it's usually all construction related. We have a lot of general contractors is probably the bulk of our work, but we do recruit for a lot of specialty contractors and subcontractors that are related in the same industry. The bulk of our business is in North America, okay? And so a lot of our North American U.S. clients do have offices in Canada and vice versa. And we also do some work in Mexico as well and throughout South America. But the majority of our work is in North America. We do have international clients as well. Typically there's a U.S. connection. Either it's a U.S. firm that has an international office somewhere, be it Australia, New Zealand, or I guess you could say Canada, or in Europe somewhere, or Middle East. Or there's a Middle East firm, a European firm that has an office in the U.S. So we kind of work both ways, but usually there is a U.S. connection. Very rarely we'll look for a Russian contractor for a Russian position, or for a European, Spanish or Italian firm for an Italian position. Usually that Italian firm must have a U.S. office, or the U.S. office has an office in Italy, if that all makes sense. But it's all construction related. So for the most part, we work worldwide, but the bulk of our work is going to be in North America. What we do is we are a direct recruiting firm. So the process that we do is basically we directly recruit people that do the specific job that our clients are looking for in their location. So if they're in Chicago and they're looking for a Chicago person that does specifically what they do, that's where we recruit from. If they're in Chicago but they want somebody in their Denver office, then of course we would go in Denver. But 100% of the candidates that our clients see from our firm are gainfully employed, not looking, and doing this specific job they're looking for in that market. Now, this isn't easy. I don't want this to sound easy. It's very difficult. But what we do is we identify all the companies that do what they do. We source out the individuals within those companies, and then we directly recruit them for our client on a confidential basis. It's a better candidate because they can hit the ground running. They can make an impact and a difference immediately. They're local, so they'll know the local vendors, the local suppliers. There's a great advantage to that. And we work and strategize with our clients. We not only help them find the candidates, but we help them secure the candidates to their firm. And we guarantee the candidates for 1 year. So that's one of the best guarantees in the business, and we stand by our guarantees 100%. If you're desperate, if the company is desperate and dire straits and needs somebody right now, we're probably not the company for you. We have to establish a relationship with our clients. we have to understand what they do, because finding a good estimator in your market is one thing, but finding a good estimator in the market that will fit into the culture of our clients is something altogether different. So it's very important that we find the candidates. But most important is that of course, we make sure they fit the search assignment, the job description, but we want to make sure that culturally it's a fit with our clients. And so it's a lot of teamwork, it's a lot of work, but together we help our clients. And 90% of our business is repeat clients and referral business. So that's what we do, that's how we do it, and we've been doing it for over 20 years. The most important thing for any client that wants to do business with our firm is to contact our office so we can review the position that they're looking for, review the requirements that they're looking for, and then we make an assessment, we make an evaluation whether or not we can help that firm with that position. As you can imagine, we get calls from all kinds of different positions, all different types of contractors, and there's going to be reasons why we would pass on a particular an assignment for a company. We would always let them know why we were passing, but if we're going to take the search, we want to make sure we can fill it. So all of the searches, job descriptions, companies that contact us, we evaluate their position in their marketplace, their salary. We want to make sure that we can fill the position for our clients. We're not in this for the practice. We want to make sure we can fill it. So we want to help them out not only on this position, but for many, many positions in the future to come. Our job is to help our clients grow. So again, it's very important that people understand that contractors are not like any other industry, and you have to have a third-party source, an outside source that knows the construction industry, that knows the language, that knows where to find these people. And in the construction industry, these positions are the backbone. The superintendents, the foremen, these are the backbone of their construction firm. The right person will make them money, the wrong one will cost them money. And I've always said to any clients and whenever I'm speaking at any kind of seminars, and that is, companies don't bid projects, they don't build projects, people do. And the people you have, all of these contractors, the people they have on their staff will be the difference between their company and another company. So if there are any clients out there that need help right now, they need to contact our office, email us, or call us today. And we look forward to working with everyone out there and seeing if we can help them grow. As they grow, the Palumbo company will grow.